Welcome back to Learn BC. You're here with Jared, and we're here talking about Build Dynamics and a new extension that's free in the App Store called Shared Notes. If you search Shared Notes, it should come up by Build Dynamics. All right, what is it? How many times that you're sitting in a team, if it's a small team, sales order, sales quote, order, shipment, and pick, it doesn't matter, it's the same person. But let's now say you've got 200 staff, you've got teams, and you've got people with complex requirements, stuff going on. So this extension's been developed in partnership with a client of ours for their particular go live. All right, so it's around their requirements, but we thought it was pretty cool, and they asked us if we would publish this and make it available for other people, and we're doing that and making it free. All right, so let's take a look. Well, before we get started, please like the video, share it, and subscribe. Make sure that you're part of our channel and you're helping us grow. I'm going to go into a sales quote, and from a sales quote, if I just select a particular customer, you see this shared notes section here, and if I say, hey, let's do it. Hey, this is a quote note from JC, all right, and it fills in saying, hey, that's from a sales quote. You got the ability to upload files. We can tag people. We've got different features in the menu here for tagging. You can open in Excel. We've also got the ability to manage attachments for the table, open the note in a bit more details. So the note actually has a bit more details that pop open. So you can see a bit more information on what's going on with that particular note. All right, so why are we doing this? Let's show you. So let's just pick a Athens desk with 5, okay, and I'm going to I've got an external document number, and I'm going to make this an order, and off we go. And as soon as we go into the order, you can see here the note, and I can say this is the SO note. As you see, same deal, updates the source, which is great. And we can now go release this. Before I do, let's make sure that the warehouse is chosen. There we go. Make sure this is looking right. We've got advanced warehousing set up here. So let's go release it. Now you'll see some other things here. This is one of our extensions from Build Dynamics that just speeds up and shows you there's nothing happening shipping or picking. And as soon as we create a shipment, that extension just shows us that it's now in shipping, which is pretty cool. Saves you going related, warehouse, shipment lines, show document. You can just go straight into it, straight in the document. Speeds things up. All right. So here we are on the shipment. Here is a ship note. Okay. Same deal goes for the pick. So we're now in a shipping pick, which admittedly a lot of this happens. We're a partner of InsightWorks and we love them. This is a pick note, and we're just going to autofill the quantity and just keep moving. I finished my pick. I could go back to the ship note, customer complained, and changed address. And we could assign this over to a particular team if you wanted to have different the type, and we've also got the statuses, and you can close them out as well, which gives a status of closed when it's closed. It makes the whole line gray, just so you know that it's been actioned. If I go back to the sales order, I can see the notes here. If I go back to my shipment, I can let's just go post that, ship an invoice, and off we go. Okay, and my sales order will disappear. If I take note, we're gonna go, I know I'm moving really quick, posted sale, shipment. You should see the notes sitting here. Sorry, there it is here. So everything carries, it goes to the invoice. It also works for sales return orders and the receipting of it backwards and forwards to the sale. You've got the ability to work with purchase quotes and orders to receipts within the purchase framework. Shared notes, super cool extension, super simple. We love building stuff like this in partnership with our customers, and would love your feedback if you choose to use it. Awesome. Thanks, guys.